My name is Trent Shannon. I'm the Director of Event Logistics and Welding School Operations here at Pit Instruction and Training. One of the programs that we offer at Pit is our welding program. It's called Pit Weld U Powered by Miller Welders. We've got a great partnership with Miller Manufacturing and their equipment here. We also happen to have some great instructors here at Pit Weld U. One of them being our senior welding instructor, Mr. Bill Evans. Bill, if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about yourself and your time in the industry.
My name is Bill Evans. I've been in the industry for about 20 years now. Went to welding school in high school, fell in love with it, realized that's what I wanted to do for a living. So after high school, I got a job in basically a shop building trailers, and I also had a love of racing, so I kind of parlayed my welding into a career in the NASCAR industry. Moved down here to the Charlotte area and got a job with a NASCAR team, and I've been doing that for the past 12 years. Worked at all three levels of NASCAR, and basically been welding at every job I've been at, and now the job that I'm at now, I pretty much weld every day, along with being the instructor here at Pit Weld U. It's very rewarding to be able to take something, basically just blank scraps of steel off a rack and be able to turn it into something through fabrication and welding. It's a very, very gratifying feeling to be able to create something like that.
Great. Well, clearly you love doing it. You've been doing so for a while, and I think it certainly shows that through when you're over here in class and working with the students and helping them learn the trade themselves. Tell us a little bit about what a normal class night would look like.
Okay, so a normal class, the students will come in. Usually they get their station set up, have all their equipment ready, and then we'll have a conversation about what we're going to do that night, projects they have to work on. If we have any book work to do, we will get that done at the beginning of class. Usually only takes about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then the rest of the class time is spent welding and just basically prepping parts for welding, so they can complete all their welding projects that they have to do through the whole semester.
Okay, so welding projects. Tell me a little bit more about those. What are these projects? Are they different things that they're actually building?
So basically what we're trying to simulate is different conditions that they might run into at a job that they might go to after they get out of class. So they use different types of tubing, square tubing, round tubing, different welding processes, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding. They'll also gas tungsten arc weld aluminum also. So it gives them a variety of things they can do to help them in the job market when they leave Pit Weld U. And we have all the equipment for them to be able to take, blank lengths of steel or aluminum off the rack, cut them, prep them, weld them together, and then turn them in for their finished grade when they're done.
All right, so it sounds like these projects that you've got for the students to work on that they're graded upon during the time of the course are really real-world applications that are very similar to them, at least, that they would see out in the industry, maybe whether it's the racing industry or manufacturing or other industries. Am I correct in saying that?
Yes, absolutely. What we do here is we grade on a pass-fail system, and it basically simulates if they were working at a company and they welded something, their boss came over and would have to inspect it and basically tell them whether the weld was good enough for that process that they're working on. So we definitely try to instill good quality work so it doesn't have to be redone, and it's just they can weld it once and it's a nice, consistent, good weld, and they can move on to the next project.
What if a student needs a little bit more time welding? Will they have ample time to, say, redo a project or just practice laying beads, for lack of a better term, to simply perfect their skills and get comfortable with each discipline and each type of welding they can do?
Yep. Our course is built where they have plenty of practice time. Basically, they can practice the whole class if they want. The projects that we work on don't take that long to weld together, so they actually spend the majority of their time practicing to get ready to weld and turn in their actual graded project. So they're very good it's very good at having enough time for them to be able to get comfortable with it. And I'm hands-on with them, giving them pointers, what they need to work on, how they need to improve. And we have designed this course to have ample time for them to feel confident in what they're doing before they have to actually do their graded project.
Great. Now, will a student learn a little bit about the machines that they're actually using in regards to setup and maintenance and things along those lines?
Yeah, definitely. Most of our book work that we have in this class is for them to be able to learn how the machine works, all the parts of the machine. So if they have a problem with it, either in this classroom or in a job that they go to, they know exactly how to fix it, how to put it back together and get up and running again so they can keep welding.
Great, sounds good. Well, it sounds like you've really got all your ducks in a row and are really helping these students become prepared and well-versed welders, I guess, so they can go out and get jobs in the workplace. But we appreciate your time, Bill.
For more information about Pit Weld U Powered by Miller Welders, you may visit our website at www.visitpit.com or contact our Director of Welding School Operations, Trent Shannon, at 704-799-3869 extension 115. You may also find more information about the program on our Facebook page at Pit Weld U.